Welcome back. Standard Bank Business and Commercial Banking has a mission to be the financial partner that empowers businesses to grow, thrive, and make a meaningful impact on the economy. This is done through a number of products, and joining us in studio is Dominic Shikola, Head Client Coverage, Business and Commercial Banking. Dominic, a very good evening to you, and thank you very much for joining us on Business today.
Thank you, and a very good evening, and thank you for having me.
Dominic, more is possible, and that's the idea behind this particular initiative, and it's such an inspiring message. Can you perhaps share with us what this means for Standard Bank and what it means for Standard Bank clients more specifically, and how it shapes your approach to business and commercial banking?
Thank you so much. At Standard Bank Namibia, our purpose is Namibia is our home, and we drive our growth. So at Standard Bank Namibia Business and Commercial Banking, we partner with our clients and businesses to partner for growth, to thrive, as well as to make meaningful impacts in the community they operate, as well as overall to contributing to the overall economy of our country.
And how exactly is Standard Bank Business doing this?
So we recently launched our new campaign, which is more is possible, and that reinforces our purposes, which is Namibia is our home, we drive our growth. And that is really the underlying question that we are asking: what if, right? What if we partner with you to drive your growth? What if we increase your fleet to ensure that you increase service delivery goods to your clients? What if we secure a financing solution for your solar energy to reduce your electricity costs in order to reduce your cost of sales, which will translate into your good profit margin and overall increase your economy of scale? It's a really if question.
Right. So far, when this particular initiative was launched, what was the general sentiment from some of your other existing customers and also just people that are interested in the products and services that are offered?
So for us, it's really being the preferred financial partner. And I think the feedback that we are getting is we understand our clients' needs. We are working along with our clients. We are holding their hands, just not in good times, but also in bad times.
Right. We understand that the Ministry recently, or the Ministry of Finance recently put out a directive. How does this particular initiative align with that particular directive from the Ministry of Finance, as well as looking or allowing other ministries and state-owned enterprises to sign sessions for purchase orders or contracts they award to businesses?
So we are very supportive of the directive. So through Standard Bank Business and Commercial Banking, I think if I might just break a little bit, I think we have the best trade finance solution in the market currently. We are not offering overdraft, but tailor-made solution. Right. And this is made up of 3 products, which is purchase order finance. Your number when you get a purchase order from various ministry or state-owned entities. So we avail fund up-hands where you will be able to pay suppliers. And then the second product is contract finance. So if you win a tender or contract financing, so we avail funds again, which is basically bridging capital to sort your working capital for you to acquire equipment, pay your salaries, and so forth. And the third one is literally invoice discounting. So how does that work is where you have used your own funds, and then there's a delay in your debtors paying you.
Right.
So we give you funds upfront, and then we discount at a certain level, and then we avail funds, and once you receive the funds, then you service the facility, basically. So we have a tailor-made solution to cater for our clients, and we feel this will sort all the issues, all the liquidity and cash flow constraints that the SMEs are facing in this market.
The very essence of starting a business, Dominic, is to get to a point where the business evolves and scales and grows. And this is something that a lot of entrepreneurs are always dreaming about. This is something that a lot of entrepreneurs are striving towards. Let's focus on the tourism sector just for a bit as an example. And it has seen a boom of late. with the bed occupancy rates on the higher end of the scale. How do you partner for growth in this legacy sector, I think, and that's one that's also quite important for the Namibian economy?
Yeah, I mean, tourism sector play a crucial role. I mean, in terms of employment, I mean, I think last year they contributed about 6.9% towards the country GDP. So from Standard Bank Business Commercial Banking, again, to my initial point, it's a what-if question, right? This is a sector that's very cyclical, seasonal. They have their peak and off-peak season. So we are saying, what if we partner with you to expand your infrastructures? And this can be your bed occupancies, you know, to cater for higher-end clients. This could be additionally working capital, you know, because we don't want to hold your hands only during, you know, your peak season,
Right.
but also your peak season, because then your cash flow or liquidity get constrained. So we are saying we are willing to hold hands during this off-peak season by providing tailor-made working capital solution to assist you to pay your supplier, to pay your salary, your daily expenses.
Right. Let's pivot a bit, Dominic. With not the world, Namibia, and the transition to sustainability, cleaner energy,
100%.
And all of those nice buzzwords, which has become quite quite standard rhetoric, really. How is Standard Bank's business commercial banking supporting businesses in their respective journeys towards sustainability?
So we are committed to strive to provide sustainable business practices. And I think to your point, you know, energy transition is biggest, ESG, all those big words. So we have solutions through our smart climate offering, which is tailor-made for renewable energy, water efficient technology, land restoration, you know, biomass, and so forth. So we have tailor-made solution to cater for our clients and businesses to transform or transist into, you know, energy transition and so forth.
I mean, one of the words that are, and the very strong theme that is coming out is tailor-made. And I think Standard Bank really is, and also asking the question, what if? It really does indicate a very strong sense of partnership and cooperation between your stakeholders, no?
Yeah, so we've done our work. We have listened to our clients. We have listened to the business challenges. We have listened to the trend in the market. And really that's where the what if, you know, scenario came about.
Dominic, before I let you go, the Economic Relief Scheme, which is a tripartite deliverable between the Namibian government, Bank of Namibia, as well as your commercial banks, has been very key in assisting businesses to recover from challenges. We talk about COVID, we look at many other challenges and assist them to expand and scale their operations. Is Standard Bank contributing to this journey of growth, particularly for SMEs?
100%, that's correct. So we are part of the Economy Relief Scheme that is underwritten by Minister of Finance through Bank of Namibia. So we are currently rolling it out. So as the name says, relief, it's basically to provide relief in terms of the, you know, COVID shock, stagnant economy that has been for the past 2 or 3 years. So it's literally to help businesses to boost, you know, to scale up rather in terms of, you know, employment creation, as well as, you know, just to assist on day-to-day basis, working capital, paying the suppliers, and growth, you know, scale, basically. It's really just to revive of what happened, you know, during COVID and obviously the past 2 years, stagnant economic growth, rising interest rate, and it comes at, you know, at a reasonable rate. And I think that's the benefit. And, you know, this moratorium where we can look at, you know, X number of months where you don't service interest, you don't service capital. So it's really just to give a relief, you know, a breather to our business community. Right.
Dominic, thank you very much for your time, and we'll definitely be keeping an eye on this particular initiative and seeing how you guys are progressing, but also the impact that comes out of this.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you for having me.
All right. That was Dominic Shikola, Head of Client Coverage, Business and Commercial Banking, talking to us about the Standard Bank Business and Commercial Banking, which is currently on a mission to be the financial partner that empowers businesses to grow. Your economic indicators up next.